Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So I finally got my hands on Mielle Organics new Rosemary Mint line. Now she originally drops the oil, which I already had gotten, but now she added a shampoo, a mask, an edge control, and a styling cream. So just keep watching if you want to see my thoughts on this new line. So the first product I used was their Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. All of the products in the line are strengthening. They're infused with biotin to encourage growth, and they're all free of parabens, sulfates, paraffins, mineral oil, and they're not tested on animals. So I loved this shampoo. This was one of my favorites from all of the products I used, just because one, the smell of these products smells like mint, and it's just so calming. Like when you're doing your hair, it just relaxes you. Like, I'm not even playing, I'm serious. And another thing I loved about the shampoo was the lather. It had so much lather. I was literally getting it all over the place, all over my face. It was all over my bathtub. So I loved the lather. It was very cleansing but moisturizing. Obviously, I like shampoos that moisturize my hair, so this was very moisturizing. It had slip too, so everything I look for in a shampoo. Definitely loved this. So next I used the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask, and this obviously is meant to strengthen your hair and also moisturize it. So it's very thick, very creamy, just like I like my mask and pretty much all my products to be. And it was so moisturizing, you guys. I don't feel like my hair has ever been this soft. It was so moisturizing. This was hands down my favorite product from the line. Very moisturizing, very softening, had amazing slip. I was able to finger detangle my hair very quickly. It even clumped and defined my curls very well. So I really loved this, and I highly recommend this out of all the products. When I rinsed my hair was very soft as well. So definitely loved this mask, but now we are just going to get into the styling. So before I actually went to style my hair, I did use their Rosemary Mint Oil on my scalp to make sure it was nice and moisturized and I don't get dryness or flakes. Like I said, I've used this plenty of times before, and I definitely do like this oil. It's infused with a lot of different other oils, and you can use it for different purposes. You can use it for your scalp, hot oil treatment, to seal your hair, however you like. So definitely like this, but now I'm just going to prep my hair for styling. I'm doing a braid out, so I'm going to part my hair, spray it with my spray bottle of water, detangle it, and then I'll begin using the styling cream. Now, I was super excited to use this Rosemary Mint Multivitamin Daily Styling Cream. Now, on the product, it actually says it's a double duty gel cream. So it doubles as a cream to be moisturizing, but it's also a gel, so it helps with frizz and hold. I'm gonna play the clip so you can actually hear the consistency. It was a little weird to me, like just listen to it. Now, the consistency actually threw me off. I was expecting it to be more creamier and definitely more moisturizing, especially after using such a good shampoo and mask. I had high expectations for this, but it just kind of was not really doing it for me. The slip was okay. Since my hair was already detangled, obviously it's easier to get my fingers through, but I don't know, like the slip wasn't all amazing. The consistency, the moisture, I just was not really in love with this. So obviously I had to continue anyway. So I just continued to use it on my hair, braided it up, and yeah, we'll see what the final results are looking like. So this is the next morning. Actually, it's 2 days later, I should say. I did leave my braids in a little longer just because I was lazy, but I typically get more definition when I leave my braids and twist in longer, so we'll see if that helped. But I just took some of the Rosemary Mint Oil on my hands to help when I separate, to reduce frizz and all that. So this is what my definition is looking like after I took down all my braids, and I was so excited because my definition was so good. I didn't see any frizz, like it just looked perfect, and I knew it was going to come out good. So fast forward, I went ahead and separated my hair. I added some of the Mielle Edge Control, and I actually really liked it. It's nice and lightweight. Soft hold, but it definitely does have hold, so I did like it. But this is my hair, you guys. So these are the final results of my braid out, you guys, and don't get me wrong, I loved my braid out. It's super cute and voluminous, but it just was not what I was expecting. It frizzed up a lot, which, you know, I like frizz, but on the first day my hair needs to be very defined in order for it to last. So that's that. As far as moisture, my hair was not very soft. It looks good, but it's not very soft. So I love all the products in this line, definitely recommend them, but for me personally, I would not use that styling cream again. So all these products are sold in Target, and they are sold online at Target. Mielle Organics has them online as well. So I'll put the links down below, and it is up to you guys to decide if you want to get them or not. Let me know down below if you will be trying these or if you have tried them, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.